Hey guys, welcome to Simpler Futures and our nightly free video. We're looking right now at the ES and what is the ES doing? Well, it makes it pretty tough when you see this choppy type movement that we've seen since the 12th of December. We saw one sell-off. We've seen the market rally back today. The ES was down one tick. It just basically no change at all. The YM was down 37 and the NASDAQ was up 28. So what's going on with that? Now look at the patterns. Number one, you can see the run up, sell off, and then we're retesting these highs, and we were not able to push to a new closing high in here today. Our high was 2273. You can see there at the top off of the YM. Very similar situation. The high has been 19,993, and we've also seen a very similar pattern in the market. This sell-off, and we're retesting. The YM was a little weaker today than the S&P. And then we get to the NASDAQ here, up 27 on the day. Now, you notice this pattern is altogether different, but this is not. We tested the 55 EMA. We're coming back in here. The high's been 49.94 half. Now, the highest close, we're right there at it. Did we make a new high close? This closed at 49.6075, and this high close was 49.6050. So this would be a new high that we've got in here today. Is it enough to really do anything? I'm not sure. Now, let me look at one other thing that I think would be important in determining the potential direction of this market is the transports. I like to look at the transports. Now you see the transports, we had the run up, and off of this sell-off, we saw a slightly lower bounce, and then we sold off. We are not at new highs. Can we reverse it and go? Now, let's go back from the very beginning and take a look at what I was looking at again. All right, first of all, the ES. Notice the moving averages. I like to trade it when the moving averages have a cross like we have here, and the distance between the averages is expanding. Like right in here, the 55, the 21 period, and an 8 period, the green. This was expanding. It's contracted somewhat. We've got a MACD crossover. Look at the YM. Same situation, but we're beginning to see the 8 period come back in. A little bit of a correction there because of this move, because we're only counting back 8 days. Is that showing a sign of weakness? We'll see. If we get the 8 to cross over the 21 period exponential moving average, then we may be in for a little bit of a correction here in the market. Now look at the NASDAQ here. Run up, a pullback. Off of that pullback, we did not cross, and now we're just kind of cruising along about the same distance. We'll look to see if we put in new highs tomorrow, then it may give the moving averages strength and get the MACD crossed back on the positive territory. Still bullish. I'd be buying sell-offs, a little bit of a pullback until we violate this 100 period EMA. And on the transports, a little bit different here. We've got the 8 and the 21 period right on top of each other, and the MACD crossed. We had a cross back in here off the tradable side would be at 12:15 on the December 15th. So guys, watch it close. I think we've got some exciting markets. They've already started. It's certainly early in the morning. First couple of hours, the market's been moving well. Watch it close. We've got a lot to go. And the bond, don't miss on the bonds. Bonds were up 2 full points today in here. 2 and 7/32. That's a pretty strong move. Now look at the reversal off of the bonds to the upside. Do we have more to go? Very possible. Guys, see you in the next update.